will start by adding in the milk and the yeast. I'll stir this in. If you're not sure whether your yeast is still alive, you might have to leave this for about 5 minutes to proof, and you'll see the bubbles coming up. That way you're sure your yeast is still alive. I'll add in sugar, mix in, and the flour. I'll sift in a little nutmeg powder. It helps with the flavoring. I'll add in salt. I'll mix all this to combine. I will keep mixing this till it all comes together like this. Now I'll come in with my hands, bring it all together. Now I'll bring in the soft butter. I'll mix it all in. You can use a stand mixer for this, but I prefer using my hands. I found out that kneading is therapeutic for me, and many people have also said the same thing. We'll keep mixing this till this butter is well integrated into the dough. I'll bring this into my work surface for easier kneading. I'll be kneading this for 5 minutes. You knead by pushing the dough forward with the heel of your palm. This is after 5 minutes of kneading and the dough is softer to the hands. I'll just roll it into a ball. I'll spread out some flour. This will help it not to stick to my work surface. Bring in the dough. I'll cover and allow this rest for 20 minutes. This is 20 minutes later. I'll poke in the middle. Then cut it open. I'll divide this into 7 separate places. I'll dust in some flour to my work surface. Bring in one dough. Dot some flour also so that it doesn't stick to my rolling pin. And I'll roll it out. Spread it out like so. I'll give a cut like so. I have some smoked sausages here. I'll pick one, place it in, then I'll roll it in. Easy, right? I'll dust my work surface, bring in one dough, I'll apply flour also so that it doesn't stick to my rolling pin. Now roll it out. Now give it the cut. Add in one sausage. Then I'll roll it just like so. I've lined my baking tray with the baking sheets and they're all well placed now. I'll cover this with my kitchen towel for this is 30 minutes later. Our dough is well rested. I have one egg yolk here. I'll whisk it in. I will apply egg wash on it. This will give it an appealing color when coming out from the oven. I'll be sending this right into the oven. It's preheated at 170 and I'll be baking this at 170 for 15 minutes. Our snack is right out from the oven. Here it is, well cooked on all sides. This is so delicious. It tastes so nice. Will you be trying this? What do you think about this recipe? Please let me know where you're watching me from. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like and share my videos to get amazing content like this. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.